Doctors and cardiologists often talk about the second heart and its importance for good blood flow and circulation. In this video, I'll show you where the second heart is and how to get it pumping to increase the circulation in your legs. The second heart is a system of muscles, veins and valves in the back of our lower leg that work together to push the blood up through the veins and back up towards the heart and lungs. Veins have valves to make sure the blood can only travel back towards the heart, and the muscles squeeze the veins to push the blood back up the body. So you can get your second heart pumping right now while you're watching this video. Simply bring your toes up towards your knees and point them down towards the floor. By repeating this action, you'll be getting your second heart pumping and helping the blood flow in your lower legs. It can help to get gravity working for you too, so pop your feet up and repeat the exercise with your feet raised. For convenience, you can also do this exercise while you're standing in the kitchen, in a queue, traveling, or even lying in bed. It's also helpful to know that walking is the most natural way of getting this second heart pumping. Walking activates all the muscles in your lower leg and activates these natural circulation boosting mechanisms. Share this video with anybody who you know who may find it helpful, and check out our Over 60s playlist showing on the screen here. We'll see you in the next video.